What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't know why I clapped, don't ask. So everyone knows what these are, right? Like, I feel like they're a big thing. I'm not gonna do it. So you probably seen the title of the video, or you just randomly clicked on a video not noticing, and then you're probably like making a Cheeto puff out of eggs or something in the kitchen. I don't know that this video is playing. Yeah! But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be making a D.I.Y. puppet. Not this one. This one's too big. A square like this. Yeah. Kind of addicting it. I have the hiccups. Anyways, don't ask why I clap. It's just like a crowd cheering. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna make a D.I.Y. puppet. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Just BTW, guys. This is based off my idea, so maybe it'll turn bad. I won't post this video, but maybe I will. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, guys. So there's one thing. I'm not actually gonna make like a big pop like this. I'm gonna make a simple dimple actually, but that's fine, right? Yeah, I'm gonna assume it's fine with you guys. I'm gonna show you the supplies you need. This is what you're gonna need. So first you're gonna need like some coloring pencils. I've got all my markers. You can't see all of them. I have a lot, so you're gonna need that. You're also gonna need some paper. I'm just gonna use it from here because I can't find any paper because my house is really unorganized. Anyways, you're also gonna need a pencil. Got a pencil. It's a pencil pen. You see that? Pencil pen. Can I anyways. You're also going to need some clear tape. It can also be like that other big tape. I'm just using this small clear tape. You need scissors and cardboard. I have a big box, but I'm just going to cut it, scissors. These are my scissors. Anyways, that's all you're going to need, and I'm going to start with the first step. Step 1, you're going to need to draw 2 circles, or however many pops you want. So I'm just gonna draw 1. You need to try to make it as even as you can. It says erase that, but that's how even I can make it. You want to make them the same size. I see that's about the same size. Cut it out. Whoa, and we're back and we have 2 circles. Anyways, once you have these 2 circles, you're gonna want to follow this. Okay, so basically you're gonna get your scissors, which are over there on the table. I don't know how they go. And basically you're gonna just cut a slit. Just a slit. Not too big, not like really small. Like watch this. Like this. And then you're gonna this and like, do you see how it's coming a point? Make it too pointy, but once you have this, you're gonna put tape right there. You're gonna pop it through and put tape on the other side too. Now you have this and you can pop it back and forth. So now you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I can't let the run lost the tape side. Guys, I found it. It's no big problem. But both of them, you're gonna need to do this. A good piece off your cardboard. Okay, guys, so you're gonna put both yours down like a good size apart, and you're gonna like draw the shape of like a simple dimple. Watch. And you're gonna draw around the circles and like, but leave a little bit of space. A little bit. See? Like you can kind of see it. See? Okay, now you're gonna cut this up. Okay, guys, I have this. Now I'm gonna show you how to put these on. This is this part. You're gonna need some tape in. Guys, if you don't get it on your first try, I'm just gonna show you this, and this failed attempt. So I had to get my sharper scissors. That's how hard it was to put. Anyways, I ended up asking my dad to help me. Anyways, so basically you're just gonna put these on and then you're gonna like tape down those. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, I'm a total dumbo. There's one step before that. Run this down on a piece of paper. Okay, piece of paper, sketch trace this, and then cut it out. Okay guys, I completely forgot. I've started on the next part. I put like white paper on this part. I'm gonna do it on this part too. Okay guys, I've got both white things on each side, so now I'm just gonna put these in. Wait, no, there's one more thing I wanna do before that. This white piece, I'm gonna decorate it. Okay. So we have this side and that side. I think it's really cute. Now the finishing touch, we need to put these on. Now, how you put these on is you just put them on, and you put tape, and then you flip it inside. I'll just do 10 slaps and like stop in between. Okay guys, so now I have it like, I have one of them done. I just need to put the other in. Yeah. Guys, I've put them both in and it's done. You have your own simple dimple. And I'd say it's pretty nice. Like if you want me to make a poppet. This took forever. It took from 4 to 5. You guys better have liked it. But anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and bye.